Hi Lolo, I hope you're doing great. I just want you to know that you are loved and appreciated. Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Stay happy, healthy, and strong!
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Lolo Bata!
Kabay pa nga matagaan ka sang walawig pa nga kabuhi tata.
Happy birthday, Lolo Bata! May all your wishes come true and may you enjoy your special day to the fullest. We love you so much.
Ay, happy birthday Lolo Carlos. Tagayan pa ka sa taas nga kinabuhi og maayong lawas lo.
Hi everybody! Hi Lolo Carlos! Happy birthday! My wish is may God continue bless you more life, good health, and always stay happy, Lolo. We love you. See you soon.
Hi Lolo! Happy birthday! I hope this day find you joy and surprise. Have a very happy birthday to our family's shining star. And I hope you know that your smile is the joy to everyone. Bye!
Hello Lolo Carlos. It's me Chang Chang. Hindi ko alam kung nakikilala mo pa ba yung apo mong maganda. Charot lang. So, I just want to take this opportunity to greet you a happy birthday, La. Wish you more birthdays and candles to blow. I'm wishing for your good health always. Miss na miss ko na kayo. Hoping this coming April, makapunta na din ako dyan sa Iloilo. So, manifesting na makapag-leave ako at makapunta dyan. Since nalungkot talaga ako nung last Semana Santa kasi ako lang, kaming dalawa ni Ate Richie lang yung hindi nakapunta dyan. So, matagal-tagal na rin at hindi na ako nakapagbisita dyan since ni Mama lang yung nakapagbisita last time. So, ganun lang. Happy birthday, Lo. See you soon from Cebu with Love. Bye!
Happy birthday, Lolo Carlos!
Hello everyone! I'm Aisha Argente. Ako ang isa sa mga apo ang pinalangga ni Lolo Carlos. Hi Lolo Carlos, I just want to wish you a very happy 85th birthday. I wish you all the best, good health, and more birthdays to come. And we will celebrate together. Everyone, Merry Christmas!
Merry Christmas and happy birthday, Lolo!
Papa Carlos!
Merry Christmas, everyone! Sending love! Birthday, Lolo.
Birthday Lolo!
Zero mo ba yan?
Happy birthday, Lolo. Happy birthday, Lolo.